प्रोस्टिट्युशनाचो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाल्लो आनी ताजेर तुमकां दिसता सारकी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जालां अशी?
I think the investigation, the arrest of that boy was completely wrong. And you will know about these details in a short while. But I think the entire arrest and his incarceration is completely wrong. I'm poile boldole. This is what has happened. This is wrong. Instead of going to the root of the matter, he's like a whistleblower. तू त्याक दोता आनी भितर उडयता. You correct what is going on. You rectify what is going on. But I don't feel, personally, I don't think there was any crime which he had committed, because there is nothing which is sexual. Body exposure, part of the body exposure, काय nothing. So केसो offense जालो. Spoiling the image of Goa, that is an offense.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.